Okay, hi. Hi, everybody. It's me and Angie. Luke Sal. And we're going to turn to the beach. Yes. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, we forgot our mask, but that's okay. It's okay, because Angie don't have hers. Mom had to hit Angie before she hit me. No.
Oh, really?
She get on Angie before she get on to me.
Oh.
No, not really. She get me because I'm supposed to know. Here's the jet ski we're going to be riding a little bit. See it? Over there?
Sand feels like carpet.
It does, doesn't it? Right here?
Yeah. Like, especially around here. But it feels nice though.
Yeah, it's not too bad here. I'll make you go all the way out there to get on a jet ski.
Good.
I
I'll
don't want
wait.
to do that, yeah.